Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for David in Georgia on this new RCI-2995DXCF. David, it's all ready to go for you per your direction. We did the tuning alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, and the ERF 2030 Plus upgrade. On these radios, the 2030 Plus upgrade in the final section of the radio and in the amp section is really nice to have. Not mainly because of a slight amount of power increase, but for durability. They're very resilient. Most guys will run these radios into an amplifier, and if your amplifier has a little bit of a high input tune, these finals will stand the best chance of not giving any issues at all. Turned out really good for you, David. Let's start with our power all the way down, 100-watt slug. I set it at 5 watts all the way down so you have full adjustability in case you decide to run an amp. And there's 44 watts all the way up. And I'm going to show you average power swing. And we get up there about 75 bird. 500 watt slug in PEP. Middle scale. Sitting right on 180 watts. Alright, David, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bumbo.